What's up my mates of YouTube, my name is Aussie Marcel, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about signature scents. Now, what is a signature scent? I believe that a signature scent is a fragrance that you wear that allows you to express yourself fully and truly. So for me, my original signature scent was Dracar Noir. To my nose, this was exactly the way I wanted to smell when I was using it. I originally started wearing it because my father used to wear it. And in many ways this will always be, when I think of a men's fragrance or a signature scent, I will always think of Dracar Noir. And I know there are a lot of men out there that absolutely adore this fragrance, and for good reason. It's the epitome of men's perfumery. Now, I stopped using this as a signature scent maybe 5 or so years ago, and I've been trying to find something to replace it ever since. And I've actually found something to replace it, and that's Tom Ford's Ombre Leather, the Eau de Parfum, not the Parfum. The Parfum has the white leather at the front. This just has the black leather. Now, your idea of a signature scent may be a little different. You might want to express yourself differently than, say, with something like Dracar Noir or Tom Ford's Ombre Leather. Your signature scent might be more professional, more clean cut, more straightforward. And if that's how your idea of true expression is, then absolutely that's what you should be using. For me, personally, my signature scent is something that I can wear and I truly feel like myself when I'm wearing it. Dracar Noir is one of those fragrances, absolutely. However, nowadays, like I said before, Tom Ford's Ombre Leather is closer to how I want to smell. The fact of the matter is that there's an awful lot of similarities between your signature scent and how you take your coffee order. Now, obviously these things are subjective and to your taste, and that's exactly the point. You sort of fall into it, you know? Nobody tries 30 different coffees and then sort of hums and haws over which one's their favorite. They'll try a few and then they'll gravitate towards one, and that's their order for the rest of their life. It's the same thing with fragrances. You don't try 500 and then pick one of the 500. You try a couple and then you think to yourself, this isn't exactly what I'm after. And then you find one that just captures everything that you want to say about yourself when you're wearing it. That's what I believe a signature scent is. That's how I believe we pick a signature scent. Now, there's always going to be an exception to the rule. There's always going to be somebody that has dozens upon dozens upon dozens of fragrances and picks one accordingly, or they'll juggle between fragrances every day, and I'm guilty of that too. You know, I don't wear my signature scent every single day. My signature scent is my signature scent because when I'm wearing the exact outfit I want to be wearing and I want to portray myself that exact way, when I truly want to express myself, I'll always go with my signature scent over anything else. You know, if I'm wearing a nice jacket, I'm dressed up, nice pair of boots, then I'll put on my signature scent, I'll put on my ombre leather, and that's exactly how I want to express myself. It's going to be a little different for you. Your exact favorite outfit, your ideal outfit, isn't going to be what mine is. It might be similar, it might not be. Same thing applies to your signature scent. It's going to be different, and that's the beauty of it. Your signature scent and your ideal outfits are going to be how you want to present yourself to the world in the best possible fashion. Another thing to consider when it comes to choosing a signature scent is, does it work in your work environment? Does the fragrance suit your work environment? Because there are going to be some people out there that like really potent, animalic, dirty fragrances, but they work in a nice, clean-cut corporate office environment. The two don't really match up. So you're going to have to find a comfortable middle ground between how you want to express yourself and your work environment. If you're somebody like me that does a bunch of different things and you're more able to express yourself freely, you're more able to portray your own individuality, then that doesn't necessarily apply, you know? I bartend, I'm allowed to wear whatever I want, and so if I decide to wear my signature scent, I'm gonna wear my signature scent. Your work environment, it may be quite different to that. You might have to wear something that's quite soft and sits on the skin, like a Versace Eau Fraiche or a Versace Pour Homme, something like that, something that's going to be a little more on the gentle side. At the end of the day, like I said at the beginning of this video, your signature scent is how you want to present yourself to the world in your purest and rawest form of self. And we shouldn't take that for granted. We live in a world where we can find something that we truly want to wear, and I think there's a lot of beauty in that. Anyways, what are your thoughts on signature scents? Let me know in the comments below what your signature scent is, and until the next video, my name is Aussie Marcel, and I'll catch you guys around.